we all know what happened in March. Many businesses temporarily shut down shortly after the World Health Organization declared COVID-19 a pandemic. While most manufacturers and their automation suppliers were considered essential services during this time and permitted to remain open, a combination of physical distancing rules, increased requirements for sanitization, a run on some consumer products, and staff on layoff, furlough, or even COVID-19 related sick leave put great strain on the supply and distribution chain. But the back half of the year is looking like a slow and steady road to recovery. A report by IHS Markit Canada indicates that manufacturing output was strong in the last quarter of 2020, though border restrictions have continued to throttle exports. While some sectors like aerospace are still regaining their footing, there's a vaccine on the horizon, and industry analysts are optimistic about a stronger swing upwards in 2021. So Canadian manufacturers in the automation industry really stepped up this year to produce critical medical equipment and supplies right here at home for our frontline workers fighting COVID-19. Machine builders and manufacturers in automotive and food and beverage and other sectors retooled to make ventilators or ventilator components, hand sanitizer, hospital gowns, face masks, or even face shields. With that, I want to take a moment to say thanks to all of our manufacturers and the supply chain for going above and beyond this year. So companies were able to pivot much more quickly to respond to the COVID-19 crisis if they had previously implemented Industry 4.0 technologies, such as smart manufacturing software that could accommodate SKU changes on the fly, or simulation tools for generative design or supply chain planning. Automation also helped with the seamless transition to remote work and gave manufacturers the ability to see into their operations, even with limited staff available on the factory floor. And as this sector rebounds, it's apparent that automation and digitalization are becoming paramount to staying competitive in the global marketplace. To see how this might continue to play out in 2021, check out the next issue of Manufacturing Automation in February for our annual roundup of the top automation trends and technologies for the coming year.